Hey guys, welcome. In today's video, I'm bringing you an exclusive NordVPN deal. With this deal, you'll get a discount of over 74%. To make things even easier for you, I've added a special link in the description that already includes the coupon code. By clicking on that link, you'll be redirected to NordVPN's current sale page. Once you're on the sale page, you can still confirm the discount by manually applying the coupon code, which I'll also share with you. However, rest assured, the coupon is already included in the link for your convenience. After landing on the sale page, click the button to view NordVPN's plans. From there, simply select the plan that suits your needs. One important thing to keep in mind is that the 74% plus discount is a one-time offer. This means that when it's time to renew, you won't get the same discounted rate. You'll have to pay the full price. That's why I highly recommend going for the 2-year plan now to lock in the savings and avoid paying 4 times the amount during renewal. For example, if you decide to go with the basic plan, just click the Get Basic button and you'll be redirected to the checkout page. As mentioned earlier, the description link is already modified to include the coupon code. However, if you'd like to confirm it manually, look for the Got a Coupon option on the checkout page. Click on it, type DZ44 and hit Apply. Your coupon will be successfully applied. So, that's it for today's video, guys. I've already included the sale page link in the description and pinned it in the comments for you. Grab the deal now and enjoy the savings. See you in the next video.